I am not supposed to be sharing this. But because I want to help you make a lot of money in 2024. Wait, this is not bring two people to bring another two people. In 2024, it is not new that a lot of people sit down in their house and make a lot of money. Not be everybody wey you see for streets dey do yahoo. Some people make legit money all with their what? Smartphone. So you have a smartphone and then you have a data connection. Then come closer, because this year 2024 you must put both of them together and make a lot of money. Now listen, if you want to start making a lot of money, you need what? Value. All right, or you need to also render a services, so that when you combine this, you will start making a lot of money. For those of you that do not even have a product to sell, or you don't have services to render, you can decide to sell other people's products and still make a lot of money. That is exactly what I have been doing, selling digital products and make crazy money online. Now listen, you don't need a huge amount of money to start, just a little capital. Now, just in case you are that person that is serious and ready, all I want you to do is to check my profile, and then you will be directed to where you and I will communicate better on WhatsApp. But until my next video, I remain Mr. Great Egere Ogenesuwe, Great Nation.